Starting around 02 November 2023, torrential slide by and large is exchanging at $12.07 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.77% in most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Avax by and large has a kind of complete market cap of $4,286,610,065, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $413,306,844, or so they generally thought. This fundamentally makes torrential slide, Avax, in every practical sense, positioning at 20 in the digital money market in a significant way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide essentially be fundamentally worth in 2023 in a really significant manner? Is torrential slide a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Avax value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high in a really significant manner? These certainly are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $14.49, the normal pretty least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $13.85 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Avax can especially arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $16.26, which generally is very huge. Avax value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in every practical sense is determined to be at around a for the most part least worth of $12.11, or so they thought. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at in every practical sense limit of $13.77, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may arrive at a truly least worth of $13.14, while the very greatest gauge cost basically is around $14.30, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The typical cost for Avax is especially anticipated to really reach $13.65 in September 2023, exhibiting how this in every practical sense makes torrential slide, Avax, fundamentally positioning at 20 in the digital money market in every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to really be at around in every practical sense least of $13.29, genuinely further appearance how torrential slide value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to be at around a fundamentally least of $13.29 in a quite enormous manner. Torrential slide cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $14.85, with the really normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars. So in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide basically be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Torrential slide value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of greatest cost for torrential slide could generally stretch around $15.55, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 fundamentally is $13.57 with in every way that really matters, normal cost of $14.20, showing how the typical cost for Avax explicitly is especially anticipated to for the most part reach $13.65 in September 2023, exhibiting how this in every practical sense makes torrential slide, Avax by and large positioning at 20 in the digital money market in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost fundamentally is supposed to generally reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Avax for the December for the most part remains around $14.49. Torrential slide pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche S-cost truly has shown a very decent increment of 8.93% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $15.55, which explicitly is genuinely critical. From for the most part most recent 7 days the Avax in every practical sense was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.97% in an essentially enormous manner. Torrential slide for the most part has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be very great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Avax in every practical sense has a sort of complete market cap of $4,286,610,065 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $413,306,844, which truly is genuinely huge. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax basically diminished by 43.172%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $9.17 from its especially current worth, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a fundamentally decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for truly fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 32.15%, and the cost explicitly circled from a truly least kind of typical cost of $16.54 to really most extreme genuinely normal cost of $18.27 in the especially beyond 90 days, showing how Avax basically has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $4,286,610,065 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $413,306,844. Which basically is very huge. Torrential slide certainly is somewhere near 0.08%, with the sort of greatest especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $11.78, and the extremely least in every practical sense, normal cost of generally was around $11.56 in truly beyond 4 months, which explicitly shows that will Avax cost basically outperform its record-breaking high. Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be torrential slide essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Avax cost truly is estimated to truly arrive at a really most extreme degree of $16.26, with certainly least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slides explicitly have a future, which really is genuinely critical. As far as value, torrential slide in every practical sense has an exceptional really potential to arrive at new levels. Essentially further appearance how the Avax cost fundamentally is estimated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $16.26, with essentially least cost of $13.85